Tinker's Lab is a game changer for students with state-of-the-art equipment like 3D printers, laser cutters, and electronic workshops. Students can now bring their concepts to life faster and more efficiently. Whether it's building a prototype, testing a design, or experimenting with technology, this lab provides the perfect platform for hands-on learning. It's a space where creativity meets technology, and I can't wait to see the incredible projects that will emerge from here.
The idea of a Tinker's Lab at Core University is a result of several months of interaction with Makers Power Foundation, whose support has been instrumental in making this vision a reality. Today, seeing the availability of this lab for our students' welfare fills me with pride and excitement. It will serve as a hub for innovation, creativity, and doing some quality project which will enable our students to go beyond the realm of their textbook and do something fundamental which will be very meaningful for their skill development for industry as well as for research and innovation.
Our journey began in August 2024 with the vision of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and the combined efforts of Makers Bhavan Foundation and LEAP. The dream of building a Tinker's Lab started to take shape. An initiative was taken to form the Stringent Committee, a team dedicated to innovate. Under this, President and Vice President were selected, and soon students from diverse branches joined together to drive this movement forward. And then the lab space was inaugurated, transforming from an empty room into a vibrant home of innovation, creation, idea, and curiosity. With guidance from our mentorship and the encouragement of our mentors, the Stringent Tinker's Lab officially came alive.
Gradually, the lab was equipped with powerful tools and machines, from 3D printer to turn digital designs into reality to a vinyl cutter for creative prototyping, from electronic workstations for IT and automation to power tools for building hardware. Even an industry-grade laser cutter has also been equipped for precision design and fabrication. Every corner of the lab has been designed to inspire innovation. But this is only just the beginning. Our future vision is bold, is to make the Stringent Tinker's Lab not only just for Core, not just for Uttarakhand, but for the entire nation. A place where every idea finds wings, where we innovate and create, and where we together conquer the world of innovation and technology.